Hello everyone, this is Own Wall Street with the tradersperspective.com. Taking a look at the US dollar. Right now I have it set to the 30-minute chart just to kind of show you what's actually been happening with the price action of the US dollar. Just something I happen to notice looking back over the lower time frames just to kind of see where the shorts were adding to their positions. It basically, if we're near a trend line, then obviously they were selling there. But you could notice here that every time price came near this 200, which is this pink line, that's where price just continued to just get sold, and then we would bounce, get back to the two. You'd see some more selling pressure, and then again near the 200, and just continued on every single pop to just um, see the prices kind of reject that 200, try to get above the 50 and then pounce back into the 200 again, and the selling pressure just continues. So in the grand scheme of things, we are still, heading down to my target near 92 or so. I've been showing that on a weekly time frame, that's basically the 50% retracement on the Fibonacci, and also where the 200 period moving average is. So let me just go ahead and jump back to that weekly time frame. And this is the chart that I was referring to, and you can see here that over the past few weeks I've been looking for this sell-off to basically continue down to this level. So we may see a bounce at 92.23, just a couple pennies above that 92 level, which is the 50%. It's not always an exact science, but it does give you an area to kind of watch out. So as we are, as we closed on Friday, it was around 93.11, which was near the lows of the day. You can see here that we're definitely going to be hitting this level very soon. So that's something to definitely take into consideration, knowing that we are very close. And dropping back to that 30-minute time frame, you can see that we've already started to see some short covering kind of coming into play. So, I don't imagine it'll be too aggressive. It just seems like there's a lot of, obviously, there's a lot of bears out there on the US dollar at the present. So, just want to keep this in mind that, we are getting to that level now where people are going to start looking to cover their positions a little bit and get ready for the bounce. So, keep that in mind as we get into this week. Earlier in the week, we may start off a little bit stronger, as obviously, jumping back to this 30-minute time frame to look for those clues on what's happening with the 200. We are, again, away from the 200, so I would say that it's potential that we have this double bottom here, and then we'll get a nice little bounce again, and then, maybe towards the end of the week, we'll see the US dollar hit that 92 mark. So it's kind of a coin flip right now, being that we're so close in general to that 92 level, but we are away from the 200 a little bit, and I could see us taking a nice little bounce up. But again, watching the 30-minute time frame, keep in mind of where this 200 period simple moving average is, because that's where the sellers have been coming in. So that's pretty much what I'll be looking for, and I'll update you all on my Wednesday evening analysis. I'm on Wall Street. This has been a presentation by the tradersperspective.com. I thank you all so much for subscribing. Hope you all had a wonderful weekend. It's time to get back to work on Monday. I'll see you all on Wednesday.